Hi, I'm Candace from WS Tyler. You're probably watching this video because you think it might be time to replace the lower eccentric disc on your Rotap sieve shaker. In this video, we'll walk you through what the signs are that the part needs replaced and give you guidance on how to do that. If you begin to notice that the stack on your Rotap is wobbling back and forth more than normal, this could be a key indicator that the lower eccentric disc needs replaced. Because of where it's located on the machine, you'll need to lay your Rotap on its side and visually inspect the part for any wear and tear. If this is your situation, it's time to replace the lower eccentric disc. Replacing the lower eccentric disc. Place the Rotap on its side to gain access to the bottom of the machine. Loosen, but do not remove the 4 bolts holding the motor in place. Slide the motor over to allow slack in the timing belt. Remove the bolt and washer from the bottom of the main shaft. Pull the timing belt pulley and the lower main shaft key from the main shaft. Remove the eccentric main shaft key and eccentric disc from the lower carrying plate and main shaft. Slide the new eccentric disc onto the main shaft and place it in the hole of the lower carrying plate. Reinstall the eccentric main shaft key into the eccentric disc and main shaft keyway. Carefully slide the timing belt pulley back onto the main shaft. Tighten the washer and bolt back onto the bottom of the main shaft. Reinstall the timing belt. Push the motor back into position and tighten the 4 bolts to secure the motor. If you have any questions or concerns about performing the maintenance on your Rotap sieve shaker, you can call us at 1-800-321-6188, email us at info@wstyler.com, or you can fill out the form on the Contact Us page of our website. If you'd like to learn more about our Rotap sieve shakers, we have a learning center that's full of content designed to help you become a particle analysis expert. Just click the link in the video description. To keep up to date on all things WS Tyler, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it. Until next time, I'm Candace. Have a great day.